Alright. I'm kind of still walking myself through this guy, but there's this thing right here. It's got some oil coming through it. It's red oil, and it goes down right here, and I can't get this heat shield off because it's connected to it. So I went underneath. And it's this one right here that's got like this curve to it. And it goes over. Let's see if you can see what it's connected to. There it is. It's this pump right here. See it leaking out? It's red. And that pump is right underneath on the engine. So I would assume that's oil. But maybe not. Maybe that's just a pump. And by the way, on the other end of that pump, it goes to that reservoir. And that reservoir is connected to this guy right here.